Hi everyone! Welcome back to another cooking video. And the recipe that I'll be sharing you today is PANCIT MIKI GUISADO. So today we will be making one of the many versions of pancit recipes, and that is PANCIT MIKI GUISADO. And this is probably one of the cheapest recipes that you can prepare for your family. And to make it less expensive, we're just gonna be using chicken necks. So I'm not gonna keep you waiting. Let's check out the ingredients. PANCIT MIKI, chicken necks, cabbage, carrots, green onions, soy sauce, onions, and garlic. Watching this video, and for the complete recipe details you can check on this video description. And again guys, if you have any recipe suggestions or recipes that you want me to prepare next time, just comment down below and I'd be happy to check them out. And of course, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure to click on that little bell so you will get a notification every time we upload a new video. And please like and follow us on our Facebook page. And you can also find us on Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. And if you wanted to check out more recipes and recipe ideas, you can also visit our website, www.delishph.com. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video. God bless everyone! Bye!
Massflex cookware and kitchenware for the love of cooking. Click the link on the description for more information.